right, now we're going to solve z to the 4 plus 10z squared minus 11 equals 0 over c by factorizing and applying the null factor law. And we can verify our solution on our graphics calculator. All right, so we've been given that z to the 4 plus 10z squared minus 11 equals 0. Now, you might recognize this as a quartic, but it's also in a form that we could use our quadratic factorization, because instead of having z, I could have z squared, and my factors of 11 are 1 and 11, and that I can get to give me 10. So it's 1 and 11, so plus 11 minus 1, and that gives me a null factor law. And what I have here is z squared equals 1, or z squared is equal to negative 11. And when I take a square root, I have z is equal to plus or minus 1, or I have that z is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 11. And we can deal with that because plus or minus square root of 11i squared, excuse me, and that means then that z is plus or minus square root of 11i. So that gives me my four solutions. Z is equal to 1, negative root 11i, or positive root 11i. On the calculator, you're going to use the polynomial solver. Okay, and it is a degree 4. The important thing there to realize is that there's no cubic term, so you need to put a 0 in for your cubic. So we've got a coefficient of 1 in front of my z to the 4, 0 in front of my cube, 10 in front of my z squared, 0 in front of my z, and my constant term is negative 11, and it will give you your solution.